Good day. My name is Abdurrahman Abdullah Mahmoud. I'm a student of Coventry University studying electrical and electronics engineering. As part of my final year project, I developed an intelligent bike alarm system capable of detecting theft. The PCB design consists of two sensors, an accelerometer and a tilt sensor. 3 buttons are embedded in the design to represent a keypad which can be used to lock the system. A SIM808 module is included, which comprises of GPS, GPRS, GSM and Bluetooth. The passcode is 312. Here, the system has been locked. To test the device will be tilted and the user is expected to get a message saying bike tilted. Next, we will move on to moving the device. Here, the user should get a message saying bike moved. In a situation whereby a perpetrator tries to take the bike away from its initial position, this will send a message saying bike moving. It will send the GPS location of the bike in terms of longitude and latitude, and then it will furthermore the user will receive a phone call just to make sure that the user has received the alert. As it can be seen here, it says bike SIM808. A feature being added into the design is to create a phone application where users can lock, unlock, alarm, disalarm and find my bike using the dedicated app for the system. Once users press the button find my bike, there will be a real-time tracking showing the geographical location of the bike. In situations where the application is inaccessible, there is a web server created and designed so that users can go online and have the ability to view information using their login details.